Hey guys, do you want to know what a beautiful masterpiece Zen designed luxury villa looks like 5 minutes from La Cala de Mijas? Stick around and I'm going to show you one of the best properties you can buy in La Cala right now. Welcome back to the High Homes YouTube channel. It's a beautiful sunny day in May, and today I'm going to be presenting you guys this show home that's just being finished by this developer, so you can get an idea of the beautiful concept behind One Bali Villas. Follow me. What do you need to know? This is the entrance. So although we're in the middle of a construction site at the moment, this is going to be finished at the end of this year, this would be the entrance. So you're sort of welcomed by this beautiful design that has this relaxed feeling. It's a contemporary property that uses a lot of wood, that uses a lot of stone to give it that organic touch. We have a lovely sunken sort of fire pit area, great to entertain guests. And we have a lovely, beautiful pool, which is just on the other side with a nice relaxation area. But before we get there, let me show you the house. Come here. So first of all, this is how you welcome your guests. You have this beautiful, huge swivel door. And as soon as you walk in, we're greeted with this. Wow. This is what I called a spacious living room. This property is a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, and we have around 225 square meters distributed on this ground floor and on the first floor. But that's not everything, because in addition to that, we have 290 square meter of basement plus a solarium. So there's so much space. Now, what do you need to know about this? It's an open plan concept. It's a property that's been finished with very light and nature colors, so you don't have a lot of dark colors to it. The entire furniture pack is done by La Albaida, which is one of our favorite interior designers in Marbella, and they've come up with this. So this property is sold fully furnished. The other ones which are currently for sale are sold unfurnished, but this is what you see is what you get. So you have this beautiful bioethanol chimney right here. You've got this great sort of dining area connected to the lounge onto the kitchen. So if you have friends over, you have family and you want to be entertaining, it's really easy to do so, right? It's a perfect house for a family. And this brings us to the kitchen. Now, what you need to know about the kitchen is that this is developed by B&D. It's a kitchen provider in Marbella that does high quality kitchens, and it's actually really well done. All the appliances are Gaggenau, and you've got everything you might need, right? You've got this lovely window that leaves some natural light coming in from the back, and you've got this hidden pantry. This is a show home, but when you've got kids, you've got everything all over the place. In this case, you have a great pantry, so you can put all your, food and stuff away, which is fantastic. Additional storage space. We have a guest bathroom over there, which is great. And right this way, this is where the entertainment happens. From the kitchen, straight on to the outdoor barbecue area. So this property comes with a fully built-in outdoor kitchen, outdoor dining connected to the kitchen, which is really easy. And right over here, we have the outdoor chill out. So again, this is a construction site. So that area is not finished here, but you can get a real good idea of what it's going to look like, come the end of the year. So if you can open all these windows up and have that lovely connection, indoor, outdoor. So this is one of those features that I absolutely love about this property. Seamless living. So you can have guests, everything open in the property, and everything flows very well. We have the indoor living room connected to the outdoor chill out, the dining area, outside dining, interior dining, kitchen, everything's in one space. And finally here, we have a really beautiful pool, Bali style tiles with some beds. Of course, that will be closed up and fully private, and that will be the entrance. You have a nice shower here. So it's a perfect house to live all year round. And something which I think is a big selling point, it's a great property to lock and leave. A lot of the villas that we currently have for sale have big gardens, a lot of outdoor, greenery needs to be maintained all year round. You here have terracing, and you have a few flowers, a few plants, which pretty much if you lock up and leave, you're fine. You don't really have to have a gardener come in all the time. So low maintenance, which is a super big selling point. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. Look how much light comes in here. I've got my glasses on, there's so much light. Something that you need to know about these villas is that this is a community of properties. So it's completely gated. You have a concierge on site, and you have loads of amenities on site as well. So you have a small spa, gym, you have a small cinema of the community, and so on and so on and so on. The community comes with its own application, which we'll show you what it looks like. It's really cool. And you can order all sort of things from the actual application. So, if you wanted to, book in a massage, or you wanted to, someone to go down and buy wine, or you wanted a shuttle service down to the city center, this is something the community offers within the application. And this is one of the biggest reasons people have chosen, to buy in this complex, is you have so much services that come with the community. So you're a private villa, you have your private pool, your private outdoor areas, but you're also within a community, and that's a huge selling point. On this floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Every single bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. Let's start with, the king of the house, the master bedroom. This is beautiful. Every time you walk into La Albaida show home, you just know it's them. The small touches, the small details, very light to the eye. It's a great, great, great design. So very nice size master bedroom with its own private terrace. At the moment, these plants are here because we still have a construction site going on, but you do have a private terrace. We've got a full blown, built-in closet with this, purposely made carpentry that looks fantastic, that goes in the same tone as the entrance door. And over here, we have the ensuite. Nice size ensuite bathroom with floor to ceiling tiles, everything included. As you see, it's pretty much ready to move in. And that brings us on to the next 2 bedrooms. Right over here, we have the secondary bedroom on the first floor. That's also ensuite, as you can see here, with a lovely, beautiful design as well. Another important thing to keep in mind is that this property comes fully fitted with AC, which is central, hot and cold. In addition to that, you also have a full domotic system. And this domotic system is a Zenio domotic system that allows you to control the property from your device, control lights and so on. On this side here, we have the 3rd bedroom, also with this lovely ensuite bathroom. Bedrooms that have quite high ceilings, very nice design, and a very nice, sea view down to the sea on the southway over here. But there's something else to this property. It's the solarium. Let me show you. Okay, so if you don't have enough with the downstairs pool area, chill out area, dining area, barbecue area, well, then you have your solarium area. Let's have a look. So this is it. What you see here is the solarium. You have a jacuzzi at the back. You have a lot of space here to do all sort of, different activities. You have a pre-installation for outdoor kitchen if you wanted one up here. And then you have these amazing views. The community is everything you see down here. And all those amenities are going to be finished on the handover. So when you finish the property, when the property is finished, you'll be able to walk down and enjoy all the amenities of the complex that are just within walking distance. So although the community is surrounded by small residential streets, what's very nice is that there's only one entrance for the cars and there's one entrance for sort of pedestrian walk-ins, and that's next to the concierge. So it's gated and has pretty much 24-hour security. Let me show you the basement. And then you get to the basement. And this basement, it looks like it's been taken out of a James Bond movie. Let me show you why. So this is the additional 290 square meters that this property offers. We have the driving garage here. You literally have space here for, 10 cars if you'd like, right? In this small area here, at least 2 or 3. But this is what the developer has left open to choice. So there you have it. It's a white canvas and the developer is open to changing it and making whatever makes sense for your family. So if you did want a home cinema or you wanted a playroom for the kids, you have the space, which is fantastic.